Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will be guiding you how you can log in into the Kindred State Bank. Now for that, you open a browser on your PC. Then on the search bar, you type in kindredstatebank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the webpage of the bank, and here you scroll down and there you will see the option of logging in online banking. You just click on login option over there. Now here you provide your login details, that is the login username or your user ID that has been provided by the bank, and the password that you provided during your account creation period. And once you fill in both the details, you need to click on submit and you will get logged in into your banking account in Kindred State Bank. But if you forgot your password, you can also recover the password through this link provided below, forgot password. You click on this link. Now here you provide your login name, your email address and click on submit. This way bank will send you a mail regarding the instruction for how you can recover the password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.